The extradition of Tahawwur Rana, focusing on key points and context. The government of India has successfully secured the extradition of Tahawwur Rana, one of the masterminds behind the horrific 2008 Mumbai terror attacks. This event, which resulted in the tragic loss of 166 lives, has left an indelible mark on India and the world. On January 21, 2025, the U.S. Supreme Court denied Rana's writ of certiorari, effectively allowing his extradition to proceed. This decision comes after a long and complex legal battle that began when Rana was arrested in the United States back in 2009. Rana was initially convicted in 2013 for providing material support to terrorism related to the attacks, but he was released on compassionate grounds in June 2020. This release raised concerns within India, prompting the government to act swiftly. Under the direction of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Indian officials filed for his provisional arrest, emphasizing the need for justice for the victims and their families. The legal arguments surrounding Rana's extradition were multifaceted. His defense team raised several points, including claims of potential abuse if he were to be extradited to India, citing his Pakistani origin and Muslim faith. They also argued against the interpretation of offense in the extradition treaty between India and the United States, suggesting that it should be based on conduct rather than legal definitions. However, U.S. prosecutors countered these claims effectively. They clarified that the non-bis in idem clause, commonly known as double jeopardy, does not apply here because it pertains only to identical offenses with matching legal elements. The U.S. government maintained that Rana's actions constituted separate charges under Indian law, justifying his extradition. Rana faces 9 charges in India, including conspiracy to wage war against the government, murder, and membership in a terrorist organization. These allegations highlight not only his role in planning the attacks, but also his connections to broader networks of terrorism. For many victims' families and survivors of the Mumbai attacks, this extradition represents a long-awaited step toward justice. The Modi administration's commitment to pursuing this case underscores India's resolve to hold accountable those responsible for acts of terror that have caused immense suffering. As Rana prepares to face trial in India, this case serves as a reminder of the ongoing challenges posed by international terrorism and the importance of international cooperation in bringing perpetrators to justice.